Hello to my channel. This is your first time in my channel, I encourage you to check out the rest of the videos I have in my channel, and don't forget to subscribe. And welcome to everybody who also have been subscribed and watching this video. Today we'll be doing this DIY pouch. It's very easy and it's a beginner level. Anybody can get this project done easily. So I added also some fake leather to make it to give it a professional look. So you need 2 pieces of scrap of leather as well as your fabric. I have all the measurements in the description below, and 2 zipper tabs just to give it also a nice look for your zipper ends. So now we are going to attach our fake leather to our fabric. So like you see, I cut it in a triangle. Again, the triangle measurements are in the description. And you fold it like you see, and you're leaving like 1 centimeter from both sides like I'm showing. You want to sew very close to the edge, and you can also increase your seams distance. This way I will give it a nice look. So now we are going to attach our zipper. So as I mentioned, we are going to add 2 zipper ends. So I cut the middle end of my zipper. It's always good to get rid of this metal. It's if it got under your needle, it will break it. So now we are folding, like you see, a fold under the zipper and fold above, and we are going to sew very close to the edge as well. For this side as well, I'm cutting the middle end and attaching my my zipper end to it as well. Now after you're done sewing, it should look like that. And now we are going to put the zipper face down, and we are going to attach our lining pieces. And make sure you sew very close to the edge of your zipper, and make sure your zipper is sandwiched in between. Now I'm adding also some foam to my fabric, to my pouch, sorry, just to give it more cushions and make it looks more professional. Now once you finish this side, we are going to work on the other side, doing the same thing, the right side facing each other, and make sure the zipper is sandwiched in between, and also your lining piece is facing the lining piece, and make sure also you leave your zipper open or half open. Again, I'm adding my foam just to give it some padding, and attaching my foam as well. And again, make sure that you catch your zipper and it's sandwiched in between your fabric. Now after you finish, it should look like that. And now we are going to assemble the whole pouch. Make sure you put your foam on the outer or main piece of the fabric, like I'm showing you, the left side in my case. And we are going to sew all around, leaving an opening in our lining piece. Now after you finish sewing, you should be able to turn your pouch inside out and from your zipper, and make sure you poke your corners and make sure everything is sewn in correctly. We finally completed our project. As I said, it's very easy project to do and it doesn't take any time. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please, if you like the video, don't forget to do a thumbs up and share the video, and if you didn't subscribe yet, go ahead and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you next time.